Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market SPY and QQQ looking good. Was on a downtrend, but now we are on a clear uptrend. That's a good sign. But it could be a bull trap, so I'll wait until market open to see how QQQ and SPY reacts and then define my trades based off that. We do have around 2 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching SPY. Looking strong, but I'm not going to jump in. We have an immediate resistance around 380. Staying strong. I think it's gonna break out. I'll wait for this candle to close. See how SPY resisted this price level, 380. I found it from the daily. Yesterday too, SPY failed to break that price point. Now look at it fall. Almost 50% retraced. That looks good. Just giving it some more time. Watching it very carefully. High of this candle is 380.04. So if we break that high, I'll be interested. To the call side, SPY shopping around, waiting patiently. As you could see here, this candle made a lower high. So unless that trend breaks, I'll not be interested to the call side. Yep, coming down. Made a lower low. Stop loss for a lot of people would have triggered over here. Just cheated on them, now it's curling back up. Getting in. Anticipating a breakout. Selling one at 930. Now just holding one. I look to add again. Added at 890. Stop would be low of this candle. Selling 2 at 920. I'm just holding 1. Breakout for me. Not liking it. Got out. That last one contract got me, but I'll try to repeat it. Getting in again at 870. Got in 910. Come on, break out. Sell 1 at 970. Out. That's the breakout I was looking. Out. Wow, what a move. $300, I'll take it. Got in around 910, sold 1 at 970, and then the other one at 1150. That was the meaty move. I locked in some gains. I took one contract out because that's the way I like to do it. It was a picture perfect breakout trade. This lower wick gave me the confirmation, and now it's flying. SPX may have some resistance around 3825. Approaching 3825. Hindsight, had I holded my initial contracts, I could have made a ton of money, but I never knew that this was coming. Let's see how this candle looks. I've changed my option contract to 3840 because the earlier strike price that I traded is now having a much higher delta. Missed it. Think I should not FOMO in. Now, SPY is really overextended and I don't want to take a breakout or a pullback setup at this time. Also, I do have some other stuff that I need to take care of, so I think I'll wrap it up for today. A decent day of trading, making $300 in 26 minutes. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.